We back at it. Animals only.
Oh, it's not a crab. It's a
Lobster.
yes. Oh, it's that shark with the stupid looking head.
Uh,
Tell me.
narwhal.
No, that's a dolphin.
Swordfish.
No, it's a okay hammer.
Hammerhead?
Yes.
Oh, that's what it is?
Yes. Oh, it's not a grasshopper. It's a.
Cricket.
It's another name for the orca. It's another name for the orca.
Seashell.
Fucking read.
I don't fucking know what an orca is.
It's those weird.
Hermit
massive-
crab.
Okay, it's those weird. Okay, you know those massive dolphin things that are black and white? They're mostly black. Dang. You don't know?
No, I
They're
really
always at
don't.
sea- They're always at SeaWorld. Orca's just another name. It's a killer whale.
Oh, I thought it was like something small. Skip that. I don't know what that is. It's not a mosquito. It's a
Oh, mosquito hawk?
no. It starts with a W.
Wasp?
Yeah. Oh, it's like a little gerbil.
Gerbil?
Yeah. That's another word for it.
Gerboa?
Huh? What's a guinea pig?
Hamster.
Yeah. Quack, quack, quack.
Duck.
Yeah. You fucking
Dog.
no. It's
Donkey?
the blank room at the construction site.
Huh? Oh, rat.
Yes, right. It's like a wasp, but it's
Bee?
no.
No. Hornet.
No, M.
What? Huh?
It starts with M. 3.
I don't know.
Mosquito.
Oh. Oh, it's not an ant. It's like a type of ant, and they like chew through wood really fast. It starts with a T. Ends with a mite.
Terminite.
Close.
I need more.
Tur.
Oh, termite.
Oh, it's one of those. Okay, it's a type of bug that makes like a really bad smell.
A skunk.
A skunk. I said a bug, you get it.
Oh, was that? Oh, I thought. What the fuck? I don't know. That skunk is all I know. A beetle.
That is okay. It's a type. Okay, have you seen that movie Zootopia with like the lead singer?
Fuck you. Zebra. My Little Pony.
Pony.
Don't they have a horn on them?
Oh, unicorn.
Yeah. It's like you like go in the dirt and you
Mole.
no.
Worm.
Yeah. Oh shit. It's before a butterfly.
Caterpillar.
Yeah. It's not a lobster. It's a
Crab.
Yep. It's like what we saw on that bridge with by the water.
Oh, turtle.
Yeah, but it's like it's a snapping turtle.
Oh no.
The fuck is a gopher? What's a gopher? What? Komodo dragon. It's like
Snake.
yeah. Dingo.
Oh, it's a type of ray. It's like this weird, how do I explain this? It's okay, so it's like this massive flap of animal skin, but it has a really long tail and with a stinger at the end, and they bury themselves in the ocean floor. You see them all. The
An
time.
eel?
No, you see them all the time in like SeaWorld, like little. It's a stingray. It's a stingray. It's totally good on that. Okay, it's what we are.
Human.
Yes. Okay, so Santa's sleigh is led by.
Reindeer.
Yes. Okay, it's a type of weird mammal thing that's in prairies.
Mammoth.
It's a prairie dog, Utah. It's a prairie dog. It's like a weird animal rat thing that's like a really long body. There's not enough.
Oh,
It's a weasel.
armadillo. It's like a duck, but
Goose?
yeah. It's a night.
Oh wait, type of animal.
It's like a bird. It's like a bird.
I think I know, but
Hawk.
oh,
It's not a tiger. It's a
lion?
yeah. What's Psyduck?
What?
You know,
Oh jeez.
you know the Pokemon Psyduck?
Snow.
Oh shit, never mind. Platypus. Huh? The hell is that? I don't know. Oh, what's it called? Mortal Kombat. There's this one guy, Scorpion.
Scorpion?
Yeah. Groundhog Day.
Groundhog.
Oh, it's not a millipede. It's a
Centipede.
yes. Okay, it's not a donkey or a horse. It's a
Wabbit.
okay. In Minecraft, you breed a horse and a donkey.
You get a mule.
Yes. Oh, it's not a gorilla or a chimp. It's a. It has red fur. It's a type of ape that has red fur.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know the name of
That's
that.
a orangutan.
Oh,
It's not a rat. It's a
mouse.
yes. Oh, it's not a gazelle. It's a
Deer.
no,
Bambi.
no. It's an antelope.
That's what it is.
Yes. It's an antelope. Oh, it's my. Oh, it's what that is.
Eagle.
Yes. It's a cute, fluffy thing that goes like this in the water. It's an otter.
Jigglypuff. Oh, it's in the ocean. It's like a shark, but it has a light shade.
A light shade.
Yeah.
Great white?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it's like are these the ones that are slow? No, that's a sloth. It's like, god damn it, how do I describe that? I don't know, I'll skip it. Koala. I don't know how to describe a moth. In Minecraft, the big hog guys, what are they called?
Piglins?
No, the
Hog?
yeah, but what's it? The word before it? Nether.
Wart?
Yeah, and then warthog.
Warthog. Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Right in the morning, it's a
Bird?
no, it's a chicken that
Rooster.
screams. Yeah.
Screams. Oh, do you know?
What you wanted to chase? Squirrel.
Oh.
Oh, bubble.
Guppies. Oh, that's actually what it is.
Oh, it's not an ostrich. It's those ugly ass two-legged birds that go.
I know what you're talking about, but I don't know what they're called.
E. They went to Australia. Literally went to war with these.
I know, but I don't know what they're called.
It's an emu. It's an emu.
An emu? That's what it's called?
Yes. Oh.
Gopher.
Yes. Oh. Okay. What's the word before constrictor?
Huh?
It's a boa. It's a large ass snake. Oh my god.
I don't know.
Okay. It's not like it's a baby frog. It's a tadpole, you tard.
Lower it down. Oh, after it's a caterpillar, it turns into a.
Butterfly.
Yep. Oh, it has a thing on its back, and it's a whale.
Huh?
Humpback whale.
Oh.
These things fly around. I just said the
Bird?
word. It's a fly.
Oh.
I wasn't even thinking. I don't know what that is. A manatee? I don't know. Oh, you get like a cocktail sauce on these. They're really good.
Hmm.
You don't have cocktail sauce with this, bro. It's amazing. It's like girls say this as if you have a small dick. What do they call it?
Oh. So, Fuck. My brain is really small right now.
Yeah. you have a fucking shrimp brain.
Damn it. Damn.
It was a shrimp.